Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia and 3rd District Representative John Pablo Garcia have filed a complaint before the National Bureau of Investigation. The Politikos filed a complaint against several doctors and hospitals in Cebu City over alleged wrongful diagnosis that led to the deaths of their brothers. Dumahog Mayor Nelson Garcia and Baril Mayor Marlon Garcia had been cleared from COVID-19 more than a week before they died on September 1 and 6 respectively.
I always thought that all hospitals ang primary consideration is to save lives, and all doctors ang primary consideration is to do no harm. But we have to ask questions on what happened to my two brothers.
The complaint mentioned doctors who recommended their dead brothers' prolonged stay at the hospital, resulting in unwarranted exposure to infection.
We cannot bring back our brothers to life, but perhaps we can save others from dying.
The Garcias also questioned the hospital charges.
Because our family did not spare any expense. No? We did not prohibit any expense. Buhata ang tanan necessary. Now, in fact, as the hospital bill will show you, for Mayor Nelson, the bill was more than 3 million pesos. For Mayor Marlon, the bill was more than 5 million pesos.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.